I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Riding, and you see what time it is, man. I'm about to glove up. I got a job to do over here at this church on this beautiful Tuesday, on this front town, this school bus right here. It's a short bus too, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I used to ride that joker to school sometime. Take that how you want to take it. You know what that mean, but look at that tire. Look at the wire showing on that tire. But anyway, we finna go in and knock this out. This gonna be an easy job. I told this lady I'm finna get her rolling in like 15 minutes or less. And that's what I plan to do. Cause she gotta go pick up some kids, and me, I got more customers to hit. So this job is about to start in 3, 2, 1. When I tell you this gonna be easy, see that joke coming up? Trying to give y'all a good look at the tire while I'm jacking it up. I think that should be high enough. Let me get my torque wrench. I want to say that's either a 13/16 or a 7/8. And me being a non-betting man, trying to be smart about that thing, I'm gonna get both sockets. One of them gonna fit. Let's get it. Which one it is? I'm gonna try the 13. Nope. 7/8. Whoa. It ain't a 7/8. Okay. I wasn't expecting that, but we still good. We still good, baby. Plenty more sockets where that came from. Okay, so it ain't a 7/8. What about that 15/16? I think I've only used this certain socket maybe once or twice since I've been doing tires. And we'll make this like the third time. And that baby fit just like a glove. Let's get it. Pro tip, if you see that right there, that hole, when you go back on, you need to line that up. Don't just throw it back on. If you see that hole inside the wheel, see that little piece sticking through, that's gonna line you up proper. When you get better, you get ready to go back on, that wheel ain't gonna go on there without you lining that up. You just gonna be sitting there tightening it down and ain't nothing gonna be happening. You're gonna be tearing stuff up. Look at that wire. Oh my God, let's get it. Lay you down on the mat. I'll be right back. Cut this off so y'all can hear me. Let's get it, baby. Get my lucky handle. Get my balls. Sorry if that was loud. Me soap water. Let's get to it. It should be very, very easy. Couple swings. Ooh, I forgot about that wire. I almost grabbed it too. I didn't. I almost. 2 hits will get it done. Like butter, baby. I'm gonna wipe this down. I am gonna replace that valve stem. That joker a little loose in there. Let's see, where you at? That wind done started blowing it cold out here too, bro. Looking for my slim high pressure stems. Here we go. That's what I'm gonna go back with. I know. Get organized a little bit. But that's what we're going back with, that slim high pressure valve stem. Use my cutters to get it off. You know I ain't finna live at this church now. You know better than that. I should have did this to begin with. Sorry, y'all. Y'all seen a little inexperience coming through. Don't sue me, don't hurt me, don't talk bad about me. All right. You want to make that? You want to make sure that joker pull through good. Let's go back on with our tire. This is what we going on with. That joker look good, don't it, boy? Tread wise. Lube that baby up. We finna go on with it. I done been out here too long. Yeah. Easy work. I want y'all to hold 1 second. I'm gonna cut that video off. I got somebody just pulled up. I need to holler at them real quick. All right, y'all, we back. My bad. As you can see, I got the air going to it. I'm gonna put them about 65 in there. Right now I got like 30. We're gonna give it a little bit more time. It's a good looking tire, ain't it? Matter of fact, I'm gonna finish airing it up while I got it on the van. Remember what I said about that pin right there? I need to make sure that this hole is lined up with it. I'm gonna jack it up a little bit more. I say this a lot, and I'm not gonna stop saying it. If you put your lug nut on the most bottom stud, you ain't gotta hold it no more. It's just gonna sit in place. Versus if I don't, I'm gonna have to keep holding it or kick it in with my foot. But we ain't gotta do that. That lug nut holding it. You can learn something each and every day if you pay attention. I got you. I'm gonna drop gems. I'm gonna drop tips. I'm gonna drop knowledge. If you know me, you know what comes next. NASCAR. Is you ready? I got 45 in them. I'm gonna get them up to about 65. Go on and drop my jack. Matter of fact, y'all, I'm gonna go on and cut this thing off. It's a good job, a successful job if I do say so myself. We finna end this right now. I'm out of here.